Ooh.
It does. It's kind of weird.
That might be all right though, because that's the lower one.
Yeah, sort of.
And Ed's filming.
Okay.
It's a little squirrel. I think he just started it. Oh, okay. Ed, did you start it?
Yep.
Oh, okay. Now that'll be.
You probably won't get anything. Do you want to hold her though?
I did. I didn't. That's when you heard her start to cry.
Wow, look at those guys. They're doing it way over there.
This isn't my crib.
That's too sweet. Thank you, sweet. Fireworks over the pond. Like a little dog, aren't you?
You're
not gonna miss anything. It's gonna be another hour before.
I just put money in.
What's the deal? What's the deal?
I'll call Brian.
You need something? Okay.
And then try McDonald's after that.
It's coming. It's coming.
That's the.
That was really good. Wow. I like that one. Those are cool.
We got a little Thunder King show down there. Mini ones. John, more? Thank you, Einstein. That was a loud one.
Peanut gallery over here. Working around with those layers.
I don't know. I want to see.
Oh, yeah.
Ooh.
Wow.
It looks funny though. We got it lined up right.
Maybe will it look different on TV?
I don't know. That looks a little bit more clear.
Little pause in the action. That's just because they're a little slow.
I think it takes a minute.
Oh, that was
But I think it takes a minute for it to focus on it when it goes up.
Yeah. That whole movement back there.
Yeah.
They're just giving you the... Just getting you John got, I think, about 10 or 12 of those.
14. Actually,
Good idea. I like that idea. Red.
Watch it again.
Wow.
Pushing back in the woods. It's hard to find the house.
which house is it?
It could be from the other side of the road, you know. It could be from Dragon Road. Did you guys tell your neighbors you were
Oh.
Should we like
You're further away.
Yeah, but at least you get to see them all.
I know.
Up the lake, you're right behind it.
I don't know if that's a bit. That's just one of those big ones. They go so far.
I hope that's it.
Wow. That was better than what we saw on 4th of July. Gosh, that was awesome. Wow, was that great?
Clear the smoke out.
I liked it too.
Wow. That was, I am so impressed.
Yeah, I like them.
That is some serious business.
Wow. It takes so long to do that.
That was pretty good, wasn't it?
Yeah, it was really, really, really loud.
It was really, really, really loud. That's right, we're closer to these. We were a little farther away for the ones in California.
Yeah, I know.
That was awesome.